Hi, today we are looking at this 4-in-1 cordless vacuum. This is great to be able to spot clean your house, to clean out your vehicle, things like that. It is made to be able to vacuum, blow, inflate, or pump. So right now this is the vacuum part, and it's going to be able to clean with the multiple attachments that it comes with, and you can choose which one works best for the area that you need. Really easy to assemble. And then when you want to go ahead and vacuum, in case you're doing like a vacuum seal storage bag, you can just twist this right off, put this attachment on, and then it will be able to go in there and suck all the air out of the bag, so then that way you can seal it closed. It is able to blow and inflate inflatables, things like that up. It comes with the different attachments for that. So this is going to get a lot of use. It's going to be really handy to be able to have on hand. The handle itself even twists around, so it depends on what attachment you are using to decide which direction the handle is going to go.